Hello, darkness, my old friend. I have gone to bed again because a virus came into me, and I'm feeling tired and gloomy, and my head hurts, and I'm achy, and I'm hot and full of snot. I hear the sound of sickness. I have a fever and I ache because I made a big mistake. I taught my Sunday school on Sunday. The children's nosies were all running while I was teaching them the parables of Jesus. I heard their sneezes and all the sounds of sickness. I came home and went to bed and felt a throbbing in my head. And I'm getting the idea I will soon have diarrhea, and I can't go out for fear I might explode and drop a load and hear the sound of sickness. And in the drugstore light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People shivering in their V-necks, buying Benadryl and Kleenex, and Vapor-Rub and aspirin. God bless you. Here's the sound of sickness. Fool, said I, you do not know how it feels to be laid low. Why am I the one who's faded to be so awfully nauseated? And something like silent raindrops fell, and what a smell. I hear the sounds of sickness, and the people bowed and prayed for relief and for first aid, for they had it without question, respiratory congestion and fatigue and achiness, and the whole bit. They felt real bad and heard the sounds of sickness, and heard the sound of sickness.
I'm sorry, I'm not gonna make it into work today.
And heard the sound of sickness.